Alright, lead me to Toadlet's castle, okay? Alright then. So, looks like we're here at Peach's castle. Yeah, you'll be surprised about who's there, and it's almost everyone in the Mushroom Kingdom. Oh, you said it was urgent, so I guess we should go in. Okay. Wow, anyone's here. Even the evil crew. This is a little embarrassing. What's going on? I told you I didn't know. Oh, Luigi, you're here. I see you got the message. Thanks, Toadette. You're welcome, Mario. What's going on, Mario? I don't know, but Toadlet just called a meeting for everyone to come. What do you mean you don't know? You're usually the one who knows everything that goes around the Mushroom Kingdom. This time I don't. Then it must be serious then. Okay, let's continue. Well, looks like everyone is here, and it's crowded too. Okay, guys, one announcement for this little kingdom gathering. Yeah, Rosalina has, disappeared. Before you panic, everyone panic and fear! This is an outrage. What do you mean Rosalina has disappeared? She's never disappeared. Bowser, would you do the honors? Everyone shut the heck up! Thank you. Now, Rosalina has picked someone to search for her a very, very long time ago that you didn't even know it. So, and he is the second Mario brother, Luigi Mario. What? Hey, what's so funny? I get no respect around here. Luigi Mario, the coward? Rosalina, Queen of the Universe, picked him? This is hilarious. I'd rather like a coward like Egad to be picked to rescue the Queen of the Universe, but Luigi Mario is a different story. So, Luigi, sorry about the laughter, but do you accept this quest?